This is the 2020 Hyundai Sonata. This is my key. I'm Josh Smith with GottaBeMobile.com. I'm going to walk you through some of the cool features that you get in a vehicle like this with the Hyundai Digital Key. It's part of BlueLink, and it's an optional feature. You can share keys, you can use your phone. There's also a regular key. With this feature, your phone is your door key and the key to start the car. You can share that key to other users in your family or to a friend if they need to use your car. And basically what you do is you take your phone and you put it right where you would normally put the key, and it unlocks the car. You get a notification here. Now I can also push some buttons on the phone, which will allow me to lock, unlock. I can sound a horn, I can open the trunk, and if I get in the vehicle, I can go ahead and start the car using this. Here is the Hyundai Digital Key app. You can see I am connected to the car, and from there I can lock the doors. I can unlock the doors. I can sound a panic, I can turn the panic off, and I can also remote start the engine. And to do that, I'm going to need to lock the doors and hit engine on. And now the car is started. I can also remotely turn that engine off. And there are a few other options that you can do. You can pair a card key, I can change settings, and I can also adjust some of my home settings to get the look that I want. Now, this is a really cool way to quickly control your car. With this, you can also share a car key. So I could share a car key to a kid. With the website, you're able to set up a geofence area, and then if the kid goes far away, you can manage the digital key. You could take that key back from the phone, and they would have to get in touch with you before they could start driving again, or you could send that access to a trusted friend. Once I get in the vehicle, I place my digital key in the wireless charger right here. I put my foot on the brake, and I push the engine start button, and the vehicle starts. It'll get a notification on my screen that a digital key is active. And from there, I'm going to be able to drive, and this is my key. My phone's charging. Now I can pick this up now that my car has started, and I'm going to be able to use this, and I can plug it in and connect it for Android Auto or something like that. But ultimately, just to start, you just need to put your key right there and push the start button. That's all there is to it. It's really handy. It's a nice way to share keys. And in my experience this week, it's worked very well. I was a little skeptical just because I've never used a digital key on a phone before, but the features are very handy, and it's a cool way to be able to control and manage your car. Thanks for joining me to take a look at the Hyundai Digital Key that's part of BlueLink. This is in the 2020 Hyundai Sonata. And you can check out more over at GottaBeMobile.com. We'll have a link down in the description to where you can find out more about this vehicle, as well as more about this feature. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.